What's up? The plan for this morning is to clean the apartment. It's really messy because I'm a messy person. Orientation. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so I got done at work around 9-ish. I worked like a full day and it was really cool. It was a really fun laid-back day. It's a really fun laid-back job. I love it so far. It's awesome. And then this all happened really fast and I didn't take my camera inside because I was really excited, but if anybody didn't know, it is the International House of Pancakes free pancake day, so bet your bottom dollar I had a short stack for free. Holla at you, girl. It was so good. Catherine was there, my friends, two of my other friends were there, so I didn't even bring my camera in. I'm really sorry. So today's been really boring, but hey, work was cool, pancakes are cool, really excited about it. About to go home. See you there. Bye. Miss you. Love you. See you in a few minutes. Bye. I'm currently about to go to bed. Catherine's already asleep. So, all of that footage was filmed with like some of my really old cameras. I'll show them to you. Here they are. But like, have you ever just wondered about how like amazing like the quality is? Like if I could convert one of those cameras into being like a video recorder, like what the heck? My videos would be awesome. So if anybody knows how to do that, holla at you, girl. Anyway, I'm going to bed. You guys have a great night and day, whatever.